I've heard so much about these smoke infuser sets. I thought, let's try it out for myself. Here's what I really think. Alrighty, guys. So I have been trying to try out one of these food smokers for so long. So I was so excited to finally get my hands on it. Now, I know that they are primarily used to make cocktails, and I understand that. However, I had a different usage for it. So it comes with the machine and everything you need to set it up, including the holes. You're also going to get some of the wood chips in different flavors, so you can really personalize and make whatever you are smoking yours. So all the parts are included. And setup was extremely easy. I'm just going to pop two batteries in, attach the hose to the machine, and then to the little lid here, draw it through there. And then I am using it to make my own smoked paprika. Smoked paprika has gotten so expensive. I was like, I can do this myself. So let's see how it turns out. So I've decided to go with oak. I've placed my paprika in the cup, put the lid on over it. You have to pull that hose kind of down into the cup. I'm going to add my wood chips in there, and then I am just going to light the wood chips on fire to start creating that smoke. Okay, right off the bat, you can see how much smoke is created. It was so cool. My husband had to come over there and help me. I just sat something on the lid to kind of keep it stable, but this is smoking all of that paprika in that cup every maybe 45 seconds to 1 minute. I took the lid off to stir it around, but it was so cool doing this. So after it was done, this is what it looks like. Now, don't think you just have to do spices. You can do cocktails. You can do cheeses, fruits, vegetables, whatever. This was super easy to clean. Just dump it out. So if you're in the market for a smoke infusion set that you can do so many things, you saw what I just did. I found the perfect set for you.